right, healthy humans out here in this world of blockchain and crypto. I am bringing you a video on how to stake and earn 1% daily interest in this drip network. So without further ado, we're going to start here at KuCoin. So first, you're going to go to your KuCoin and you're going to buy some XRP. So if you get you some XRP, you do that on your KuCoin. If you need to know how to use KuCoin, it's pretty simple. But you get this XRP. Let's see. Let's just go to the markets. So you would go to the markets on KuCoin, and then excuse the whistling in the background. I have mice trying to get rid of them. Yeah, this is XRP. And please, my people, my beautiful humans, my healthy humans, like and subscribe and share this video. Because you're going to want everybody you know to get into this drip community. And the only way in is by invite. So we're going to go to XRP under your KuCoin. Yeah. So it's two ways. You can do limit or market. Once you got everything set up, just do a market order. You got to use USDT. So I have $2 left. I would do 100% at the best market price, and they're only going to use. They're not even going to use all my $2 because I actually only have $1 left in this account. In my trading account, okay, this is what I had. Not even a penny. So, but you can see this on KuCoin. So I would buy the coin. And then, the reason why I'm buying the XRP because it's easy to swap for BNB. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take our XRP. We have it. You have it in your KuCoin. You're going to switch it over to your main account because you can't withdraw and deposit any coins until you've moved them out of the trading account or the spot account and put them in your main account. So you're going to go to your main account and you're going to hold it here. And what you're going to do is go to changenow.io. As you can see, I just did a change of 893 XRP, which is about $750, which gave me 1.42 BNB. When you get into this crypto game, you will be doing a lot of currency exchange. I almost feel like I'm a travel agent or something that does currency exchanges for folks. So what you're gonna go to change now, and you're gonna get this screen. Okay, you don't worry about this over here. You're gonna go to your XRP. Bow. Now you're gonna go to XRP, and then you're gonna put the amount in. So in my case, I had 890, and then you're gonna get on the Binance Smart Chain network, the BSC, not the BIP2, but the Binance Smart Chain. So you're gonna send that to that, and you hit exchange. When you hit exchange, they're gonna ask for your MetaMask Binance wallet address that you have set up in your MetaMask. So in your MetaMask, you are going to have a Binance Smart Chain network. And you're going to Google how to add Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask. And then you're going to add it. Once you add it and it's connected, you're going to copy the wallet address, the network address, right? When you copy that, you're going to paste it here in this field. Okay? So we're just going to copy this address really quickly. We're going to copy this slow MetaMask address. Copy that junk like that. Bop, bop. And we're going to paste the blend here. And we're going to hit next. Alright, when we hit next, it's going to tell us again what we're getting. It's going to tell us that we're sending 890 XRP to get 1.4149574 BNB on a Binance Smart Chain. And we're sending it to this wallet address here, right? 10 minutes. And so then we hit confirm. Okay? So when we hit confirm, now this is the address that you need to send your XRP to so they can send it to your MetaMask Binance Smart Chain network. Change now is going to say, hey, give me this XRP that you're asking us to send it to this address, and put this destination tag. You must put the tag. So then what you would go to do, you would go to KuCoin, you would go to, or you would go to withdraw, you would select your XRP, you will put this, and you get on the next page. It's going to ask you for the address. You're going to put that in. It's going to ask you for the network. Boom. Put that in. It's going to ask you for that tag. This tag right here. Wow. You copy that. And then you put that in here. Right? And then you put the amount. Right? They got a minimum withdrawal. So we do 30. Boom. And then you're going to hit confirm.
It's 1 o'clock.
Once you hit confirm, you're good to go. You hit confirm, make sure you confirm and put your trading password in. Complete that. Once it's completed, it's going to end up in your MetaMask wallet under your Binance network, right? And so once you got it in there, you're going to see it's going to have your 1.4 BNB, however much that is. Then you're going to go to drip.community, right? And you're going to go to drip.community. This is going to be the first page. You're going to trade, right? So now what you want to do is you want to buy drip with your BNB. So your BNB balance will be here. You want to put that amount in there, but you want to leave at least 0.003 in your MetaMask for excuse me, for transactions, for gas fees. So you're gonna, that's not Corona, people, I promise you, it's not Corona. It's just a sneeze, a heavy one at that. So you're gonna put it in and you're gonna push buy. And once it's bought, it's gonna process, you're gonna hit confirm, everything's gonna, your MetaMask is gonna ask you to confirm it. And then once you have bought it, you're gonna go to faucet, and then at faucet, this is where you're gonna deposit, but you're gonna need my referral link first. So it'll be in the description. Your balance will be shown here, and you're gonna click the max, and then you're gonna click deposit. You're gonna go through the prompts, and it's gonna tell you you have successfully deposited your drip. Now it's deposited. You're gonna see this value go up every day. 1% of this amount. So tomorrow, I will have $8.24 added to that. When it gets to the allotted amount for you to hydrate, which is the recompound, you're going to click that button, and it's going to recompound everything back that your interest earned back into your initial capital. And so you want to just keep doing that, and you're going to compound and compound. You can claim your funds anytime you want. There will be a fee, small fee, but you can claim your funds anytime you want. That's why I like this. Now let's look at the price of drip. So as we can see, I've made, see, it's going up actually before our eyes because the value of drip goes up. So, um, so like I said, this value here will be at $8.25 in 24 hours, and it will keep going up. I am so excited about this investment because if you look at this, look at the calculator. Let's look at what this thing would look like in the. It's called a calculator site under the compounding process. And let's see what if we compound this 800 and 90. What did we say? What do we have? $826. Let's just say $825. All right. So we got 825 bucks. Interest rate 1% daily. How much would that be in 2 years? And the regular contributions, no, let's just calculate that. So in 2 years, my drip will have been earned me $483,000. In 1 year, that little measly $825 is now turned into $19,000. And I would have been earning, on average, in the last 6 months of the year, $2,000 on average, or more, actually about $2,500 every month. So at this point, at month 9, I'm every month I'm bringing in my rent. This is, and my rent is double. I got double my rent every month, right? But look at the cumulative, the total interest. With the total interest, I have my $825 back in 3 months. That's with, if I don't do anything and I just compound, I have my money back. Actually, I've earned, yes, I have my money back. I could take my 800 back and be sitting on 1,000, and then that will continue to grow exponentially. So, and then really quickly, let's look at the price of drip. I'm so excited about this. No one else is paying 1% every day, no matter what the market is doing. $83. When I joined it, it was at 60 something dollars. Even at that 80, from 89, it's one thing I like about drip. It's pretty sideways. It's consistent. If it do anything, it drop or raise, then it's just gonna go sideways, right? And that's today. And if you look at the 7-day, it's been just rising out of the ashes. Because this is where I started. It's just been rising and rising and rising, right? And then look at the 1 month. It's just constant growth. There's been no real major dips. So we got a good one in drip. These people, you can click on them and read about their white paper at your own leisure. You know, I think this is a great company to look into. This is not financial advice. And you must please do your own due diligence, your own research. I'm just a person who loves to share. I love to share my life. This is me letting the world my healthy humans into Crypto Dia's life. Um, so in the next video, we're going to show you more about the Wonderland time. We're going to give you another update on time, and we're going to answer any questions that any people may have about about Hyperverse. Okay, so here we are. Right, just really quick. Let's go back. It says, "Be the first few to join Hyperverse and immerse yourself in the Hyper universe." Okay, that's another one that people have been dying to get in. So if you want the link to that, uh, I'll get it over to you. Just send me a message. But I'll drop my drip link in this video. So until next time, happy investing out there to my healthy humans. I will be signing out once again. Once you click that subscribe button, I'll sign out. Once you click that like button and comment if you're in any other networks like this, and if you would like to share, just put it in the comment. So if you guys think I should add another 1,000, let's see, $1,172.66 to my account, comment, add below in the comments, because I will add another. I'll bring it to a culmination, a total amount of 2,000. If I get enough comments on that, and we'll just keep moving forward. So if you have any questions, check me out. Crypto Dia, signing out. Be healthy. Be smart. Let your money work for you. Don't work for money. Peace.